Hey, if you want to pair your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3 with your Android tablet, first of all, remember to charge them for like 10 minutes with this USB-C port. Then open the case and input both earbuds inside. Find this button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. So right now we have to release that button, put it close to your tablet and do not close this cover, just like that. And next you just have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on, and next from the available devices list you have to select your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. Accept the pairing, and right now we are successfully connected. There's also option to get the AI Live application, and if you want to get this application connected with your earbuds, you can also find other tutorial on my channel. I'm gonna put the link into the description and into the first comment of this video. So that's all, bye bye.